Module 1.4 will cover common myths about climate change and provide you with the tools and information to address them.
One myth that you may hear is that we can't be certain humans are causing climate change. Scientists focus on evidence, not opinions. In 2013, a study found that 97% of peer-reviewed scientific studies published between 1991 to 2012 agree that human activities have altered the Earth's climate. In 2021, a similar study found that 99.9% of almost 90,000 peer-reviewed scientific papers agree that climate change is mainly caused by human activity. The dots on the screen represent what it would look like to have 97 out of 100 people agree. This is clear, consistent consensus about the causes of climate change. Another myth you may hear is that the climate is always changing, so there's nothing to be concerned about. Yes, the climate is always changing, but it also responds to external forces. In this case, humans are an external force influencing the climate by releasing greenhouse gases at an extremely rapid rate. This is causing the climate to change extremely quickly, so fast that the environment, ecosystems, and societies don't have time to adjust. A third myth is that we don't know what will happen to the climate in the future. But some things we do know. We know the global climate is going to get warmer, though we are less sure by exactly how much warmer it will get, because this depends on our greenhouse gas emissions. Sophisticated computer models, known as climate models, have been developed to show changes in the climate over time and to project future climate. These climate models have become very accurate in reproducing many of the changes that occurred in the climate in the past. This provides us with a high level of confidence in their ability to accurately estimate future conditions as well. If we don't reduce our emissions, global temperatures will get much warmer. If we do reduce our emissions, temperatures may not increase nearly as much. Another myth is that because we can't be certain about climate change, we should not address it. Consider, however, that we make decisions in our day-to-day lives all the time despite uncertainty. We make the best decisions we can with the information we have. Climate scientists provide lots of high-quality information to us to use in decision-making. Virtually all of this information indicates that the climate is changing and that it is important to take actions to slow and adapt to these changes. Our final myth is that in places where it is already hot, people probably won't notice climate change. As we will explore in later modules, temperature isn't the only consequence of climate change. There may be other impacts you will notice. Additionally, people with health conditions or who are otherwise vulnerable may be strongly affected by even modest or small changes in average temperatures, especially because of the corresponding increase in the likelihood of very hot days. Furthermore, wildlife, insects, and plants are more sensitive to temperature and will react to any change. This could have downstream effects on you and your community.
Thank you for joining us for Module 1, What is Climate Change? Please return to the course homepage and click the quiz link to test your knowledge on what you just learned. Please note that you will have to complete and submit 5 course module quizzes in order to receive a certificate of participation for this course. Thank you.